In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Before you redeem the card, make sure you're signing in to the correct Airbnb account because the gift card balance will be stored there. If you have more than one account, it's worth taking a moment to double check so the balance ends up in the right place. Once you're logged in, go to your profile picture and click on it to open the account menu. From there, select Account. Inside your account settings, look for Payments and Payouts. This is where Airbnb keeps your payment methods, payout details, and gift card options. When you're in that section, choose Gift Cards to continue. Now you're ready to redeem the card. Click on Redeem a Gift Card. You'll see a field where you can type in the gift card code. Enter the code exactly as it appears on the physical card or in the email, paying close attention to letters, numbers, and any dashes if they're included. If you make even a small typo, the code may not go through, so it's a good idea to check it once before submitting. After that, click Redeem. Once the code is accepted, the gift card amount will be added to your Airbnb account balance. This means the funds are now available in your account and can be used for eligible bookings. It's helpful to confirm that the balance appears correctly after redemption, just so you know everything was applied successfully. When you're ready to use the balance, search for the stay or experience you want to book, as you normally would. Go through the booking process and proceed to checkout. If your booking qualifies, Airbnb will automatically apply your available gift card balance toward the purchase. You usually won't need to manually select it, since the system handles that for you during checkout. If the total cost of the booking is more than the amount on your gift card, don't worry. You can simply pay the remaining balance using another payment method on your account. That makes it easy to combine your gift card funds with a credit card or another accepted payment option if needed. And that's it. Once your gift card is redeemed, the balance stays in your Airbnb account and can be used when booking eligible stays or experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.